Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. The events of 29th June 2024 are follows. Bengali date 14 Ashar 1431. As per Benimadov Sil Ponjika, today's Tithi is Krishna Ashtami and up to 1535 hours, and after that Krishna Navami. As per Benimadov Sil Ponjika, today's Nakshatra is Uttar Bhadrapada up to 1040 hours, and after that Revati Nakshatra. Today is International Day of the Tropics. Today is World Industrial Design Day. Today is International Mud Day. Today is Hag Holiday. Today is International Fisherman Day. Today is death anniversary of Michael Madhusudan Dotto. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Ashutosh Mukherjee. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Prasanto Chandra Mahalanobis. Today is death anniversary of Miss Margarita Hack. Thank you very much for your patience.